Black Friday, guys, it's that time of year we want to do our Black Friday sale, and that's this Thursday, November 27th through Monday, December 1st. Black Friday sale, we got 20% off everything on my website. You'll want to check that out. Make sure you get yourself a new part for your car or for your truck, depending on what you're working on. Go to KruseBuilt.com to get 20% off everything on my website. I sell all kinds of parts for Mustangs and for F-100s and other Ford vehicles and other manufacturers out there. Things like this Monte Carlo bar, the export brace. I've got master cylinder braces, throttle linkages, adjustments for your alternator, all kinds of parts and pieces that you can upgrade your car or your truck on my website, KruseBuilt.com. Again, Black Friday sale, 20% off. Go to my website, KruseBuilt.com, put in code BlackFriday25. You'll get 20% off all the items that I sell for your car, for your truck, anywhere in the world. Get yourself a discount, get yourself some parts. Black Friday, November 27th at 12 a.m. Pacific time to December 1st, Monday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time, 20% off. KruseBuilt.com, use code BlackFriday25.